In this video, I will show you how to check your laptop's battery health in Windows 11. First, click on the search field and type the name Battery Info View. After that, click the See More Search Results button. A web browser with search results will open. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Scroll the page and find the link that leads to the nearsoft.net website. Click the link. Scroll down the opened web page until you find the download links for the program. Click one of the links depending on your system's bit version. In most cases, this will be the 64-bit option. The download of the installation files will begin. Once the archive file containing the program has downloaded, open the folder where it was saved. Then right-click the downloaded archive and select Extract All from the menu. A window will appear, allowing you to choose where to extract the archive. By default, it will be the same folder where the archive is located. I will leave the default option. Then, click the Extract button. The archive will be extracted, and the folder with the extracted files will open on your screen. Now you can run the program by double-clicking the batteryinfoview.exe file. In the opened program, in the battery health line, you will see the percentage value showing your battery's condition. Thank you for watching.